Children, let's begin our class. Welcome to Standard 4th, Subject Science, Lesson number 4, Solids, Liquids and Gases. We see many things around us. Everything around us is matter. Yes, my children, I am sure you must have heard the term matter before, and how everything that we come across in our lives, like the air you inhale, the books you read, toys you play with, I mean literally everything is made of matter. Still confused? Don't worry. In today's topic, let us explore what is matter and its state and find the answer to an important question. So, what is matter? Well, as we all know that matter is everything around us. Rocks, pen, water, and even your school bag are made of matter. But the question is, how do you define matter? Well, according to science, matter is defined as everything that has weight and takes up space. I am sure you are already aware of what weight is. It's just how heavy something is. But what do you mean by taking up space? Space is that something occupies. For example, the ball takes up a small space while the sofa occupies a large space. So, any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. There are three states of matter: solids, liquids and gases. All matter is made up of small particles. These particles are arranged in different ways in solids, liquids and gases. Let's start with the most obvious state of matter, that is the solid state. Solids are substances in which the particles are packed very close to each other. Solids are usually hard and have a fixed shape. For example, pencil, book, chair. If we apply force, some solids can change their shape. For example, dough can be rolled out into chapatis, and an interesting shapes can be made out of clay. Some solids on applying force can be bent or broken. Liquids are substances in which the particles are not very closely packed. Unlike solids, they have no fixed shape and can flow. For example, water, milk, juice. They take the shape of the container they are poured into. If we pour some milk into a glass, it will take the shape of the glass. If we pour into a cup, it will take the shape of the cup. Liquids can flow from one place to another and so are also called fluids. Next comes an interesting state of matter that can't be seen easily, but it's there all the time, like the air we inhale, which is a gas, the third state of matter. you already know that any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Now, you must wonder, how is it possible for gas to have weight and how does it occupy space? So, in second standard, we had already learned that air has weight and occupies space. Gases are substances in which the particles are very loosely packed. They too have no fixed shape. Unlike liquids, they occupy all the available space in a container. Air and cooking gas are examples of gases. Fluids include both liquids and gases. So now you know the three states of matter. That's all for now. Let's summarize what we have learned. Any substance that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Solids are substances in which the particles are packed very close to each other. Liquids are substances in which the particles are not very closely packed. Gases are substances in which the particles are very loosely packed. Solids are usually hard and have a fixed shape. Liquids have no fixed shape and can flow. They take the shape of the container they are poured into. Gases too have no fixed shape. Unlike liquids, they occupy all the available space in a container. Today's homework: write solid, liquid or gas for the following statement and also write 3 examples of each state of matter in your notebook and be ready with your answers in the next period. Thank you.